Good afternoon, world, and welcome to another edition of Trendy Hot Beauty. My name is actually Craig. I've actually changed the channel name from Eccentrics to Trendy Hot Beauty. So if you're looking me up now on YouTube, you can look up Trendy Hot Beauty. I'm using my own personal name of Craig, and I will be using that from now on. So I just wanted to let you know of the channel change name of Trendy Hot Beauty. I'm Craig, your beauty influencer. So, that being said, I wanted to review a product that I've always wanted to review, especially on camera because it's such an interesting product. And what it is, it's actually the Nars blush. And it's called, of all things I know, Orgasm. 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 Repeat with me, viewers. Orgasm. Strange name for a blush. However, it is a catchy name. So if you don't know what an orgasm is, ladies and girls, you can look it up. It's called a climax of excitement. There is a further longer definition, but I will not go online and describe exactly what an orgasm is because my mother will slap me silly. So it is the Nars blush. It retails for $39. It's absolutely gorgeous on the skin. It gives a sheer highlight to the skin as a blush on the pillow or the apple of the cheek. You can also use this product on the mobile eyelid, and you can bring it right up onto the brow bone. How amazing is that? What an orgasm. I am so excited that you can actually use it as a multifunctional product. So, I've just Purelled my hands. I would actually never stick my hand into a product unless it's actually clean, and I do not recommend you sticking in your brushes or your fingertips without them being clean as well. So I'm going to show you what this actually looks like on my fingertip. See how you get that pinky sheer color? It's absolutely divine. And when I say divine, I mean divine. So what we're going to do is I've already talked about the Dior Lip Glow, which I've already applied. We talked about the Better Than Sex mascara earlier this morning for Wicked Wednesdays, and I've applied that as well. And now I'm going to show you exactly how to apply the blush. So you're going to take the Nars blush in Orgasm, and you're going to swirl it around, tap off. You never want to, and most girls do this, is blow onto your brushes because basically you're taking your own spit and spitting on it. So if you ever have a makeup application and the makeup artist is actually blowing on the brushes, they're basically blowing spit onto your face, and you want to avoid that. So swirling, tapping the excess off, or you can tap it onto a paper towel or a tissue, and we're just going to apply on the pillow or the apple of the cheek and taper up. And what you get is a beautiful highlighted color. So we're going to do the other side as well on the pillow of the cheek, dipping in and applying. And like I said, you don't want to look like you fell into your blush because stuff rolled around and couldn't get out. It's not a great look. That being said, it gives you a sheer shine to the skin, lots of luminosity. It's almost like there's nothing there, but there is something there. So for young girls, for ladies that are scared of blush, this is a perfect blush. It's super blendable. You can actually use another blush brush if you want to blend it out like I'm doing so. And I'm gonna use an eyeshadow brush and show you how you can apply it on your eyelid as well, and then we will be done. So right here on the mobile eyelid, we're just giving it a little bit of a popped color, and you can blend it here or use it as a highlighting color as well. Orgasm, orgasm, orgasm. Yes, it's totally awesome. Totally awesome, ladies and girls. So, yes, so a simple way, black mascara, Orgasm blush on the mobile eyelids, lip glow, Better Than Sex mascara, and the blush on the cheeks. We're all ready to go out for a night in the town or for a perfect day look. Thank you so much for joining me at Trendy Hot Beauty. My name is Craig. Please just give this video a thumbs up, a like, and make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Thanks for joining me on Wicked Wednesdays. I'll be back tomorrow for Thoughtful Thursdays. And stay true to yourself, be loved, and love yourself. Thanks for watching. Cheers, everyone. Remember, tick-tock, tick-tock, time's a ticking. Apply that makeup correctly.